Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that we don't have the formula to do this integration, but we can allow to change the bounds dy dx into ds dy because we change the orders in here. That means we need to change the bounds. So we need to write about the region in here. About dy, we can say that y is greater than or equal to negative b and smaller than or equal to s to the power of 3. Now we need to write about y equals to s to the power of 3 and y equals to negative b. So the graph of y equals to s to the power of 3, that should be like this. Next, y equal to negative b, that should be like this. The next one, we have the s. We can see that in this bounds. So s is greater than or equals to negative the cubic root of b and smaller than or equals to number 0. So here is about number 0. This intersection in here, that is about negative the cubic root of number 3 with b in here. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. And this is about y. This is about s. So we need to find the bounds of the s. First, we have y equal to s to the power of 3. Now we put the cubic root for the both sides, and you got about the cubic root of y equals to s. So this is about this line here, that's about s equal to the cubic root of y. The next one, this line here, that's about s equal to number 0. So in this situation, for the s, we can see that this is about lower. This one is about upper. So we put the value in here. And number 0 in here. And the function, we keep the same. And now we have dy. About dy, that is about this one. We see that we have y equal to negative b and y equals to number 0 in here. So this is about the lower. This one, that is about the upper. So we put number 0 in here and negative b on here. And now we need to find this integration. The integration of the s in here, we don't have s. We will have about s, and I will put the about from the cubic root of number 3 of y and number 0 in here. So I will put number 0 gone here, this one gone here. So this one we have negative the cubic root of y multiplied by this one in here. So I will put the negative sign on here. And you got about y. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So this one, so we use integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y. So we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, we have sine y in here. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to negative cosine y. So we have the negative sign in here, so we keep about negative. So we have u multiplied by v. And we have y in here. So I will put the bounds from negative b to number 0 minus. But we have the negative in here, so negative with negative, you got about positive. We have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from negative b to number 0. And we have negative cosine y we put in here. And now for the first one, we put number 0 cone here, negative b cone here. So we have negative b in here. The integration of negative cosine y, we have negative sine y. So I will put number 0 cone here, negative b cone here. So we have number 0. So the final answer, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.